Miro was an artist. He made sculptures, he made drawings, and so many other arts. Okay? So today we want to make sculptures like Miro's sculptures. Okay? So how are we gonna do that? We are gonna mix different shapes, different geometries with each other, and then our sculptures will look like his arts. Okay? So for example, I have a glass. What is this? It's just a cup. It's a glass. So I'm gonna put it on top of this. And then I want to add this face, for example. We're gonna, for example, stick the face over here. And then we're gonna add, I don't know, this fork, for example. We're gonna mix different things with each other, okay? Look. This is the sculpture itself, okay? Miro's piece of art looks like this, okay? As you can see in this picture. So, we're gonna start our Miro art project right now. Are you ready?
Yeah!